How to add drop shadow on photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to go on the effects panel by selecting in the thing that you want to put feather on, or you want to do something else. Then you have to go on the blending options. Now blending options are different. Then you have to find the blending option first by click on the layer and go to blending option. As you go to the blending option, now there are different kind of shadow. You can drop shadow by clicking on drop shadow, and then you can drop shadow by any angle, any color that you want. You can select the color that you want, and you can also multiply any mode and whatever you want, and then you can click OK to drop the shadow. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.